Now, before moving further, we would invite you to actually test your digital bad habits to see if it's dangerous, to see if it's an addiction. This will help you to gain self-awareness, assess your addiction levels compared to others, and to get personalized insights from addiction experts. This test is completely free and anonymous. You will receive the results by email. It's really easy to do. You can do it in 4 minutes. At the end, you will get a score out of 100 and you will know what's going well and what's not, what could be dangerous and what to watch out for. You will also get, most importantly, insights from digital addiction experts on what to do and how you can improve things. Talking about emergency, I want to show you a little hack that we created with our team that is really powerful in case you're browsing and you encounter temptation. So let's say, for example, I'm addicted to video games, all my blogs are really well set up, but I'm on a legit website and suddenly I see ads about playing video games. So I start feeling the rush inside me. That's a problem, right? I feel the craving going up, rising, and I really feel like I have to do something now, otherwise I'm gonna click on this ad and I'm gonna install the game and I'm gonna play. That would be really sad because I'm gonna waste all my efforts and my motivation is gonna go down again. And this is where this tip comes. I'm gonna play 3 keys on my computer. And as you can see, a window open and suddenly it's blocked. So it was really fast. Most likely you didn't understand what happened, but I'm gonna show you in a really step-by-step. It take 3 minutes to create the same thing. Now, if you really want to master cold turkey and eliminate toxic habits from your life, check out our free step-by-step course. From start to finish, break digital habits and protect yourself from temptations. Focus on what matters and finally achieve your goals. So, whenever you feel the rush, you can press 3 keys, or even better, 1 button on your mouse, and suddenly all the websites are blocked. So the way to do that is quite simple. You want to create a new text document, and we're gonna call it emergency block. Open this document and inside it you will copy this thing and you can just copy paste the code. That being said, what it does is quite simple. It starts cold turkey and then it starts the block emergency, and the log 2 is the number of minutes. So if you want to put 5 minutes, 1 hour, whatever, just multiply by the number of minutes. If you're interested into knowing a little bit more, you can go on cold turkey on the website, and there is in the user guide a section just for your command line parameters. You can also lock it by password, by random text. I'm not gonna go into details here because it's getting a little bit technical. What we do for now, we just copy this text and we're gonna go into file and save as. Here you want to click and replace text by CMD. Text document, you want to choose all files. Now we're gonna save it and close this thing. Here you have the emergency block.cmd that appears. This file, if you click on it, open cold turkey and start the block emergency, which is blocking all the website. We want to copy it and paste shortcut. And then right click, go on properties, and here you have a tab that is called shortcut. And here you can type whatever shortcut you want, and the computer is going to remember it and to activate it in case you use it. So here you can select apply and OK. So each time you press it, so let's try it, you can see that it just keep opening the window. And here you are, the block is activated for 2 minutes. Now this feature is important because, as we know, the rush can be really powerful. It can really take you to the gut, and when it's here, you don't want to be rational. You cannot be rational. You have to act really fast in order to save all your effort and to protect yourself. So whether it's using this trick or another, it's always really important to have an emergency option that can save you from getting in this hypnotic phase where you get this tunnel vision and suddenly you don't control anything. So we hope by now you are having a clean and efficient cold turkey installation. Of course, as you may guess, a simple software is not enough to quit digital bad habits. And that's why we've created the Digital Purge, an online course to give you the tools you need to understand your triggers and to leverage psychology so you can finally hack any digital bad habit you want to get rid of. Rather than relying on willpower and suffering by trying to resist temptations, we teach you how to identify and destroy them so you can feel in peace. To give you an extra motivation, we drop down in the description a really nice early coupon so you can get a promotion for the #1 course that breaks any digital addiction.